So this is the JB factory at Johor Bahru, Malaysia, Ecoply factory, and how they manufacture our Ecoply. So over here is from the Indonesian plywood that we actually have brought in. This is the dust machine that actually clear away the dust before the glue is going to set in for our Eco plywood. If the dust is not removed away, over here they cannot really place in the glue itself to place in much more tightly into it. So it goes through a lot of process on towards it, going through by the glue section. This is the lowest VOC glue by Ecoply. It's a water based. Let me show you how they actually place the glue. They actually go all the way in, dripping all the glue right here, and it actually got the glue all onto the Eco plywood. You actually check some parts whether there is much more glue that have to be placed in before it goes through the PVC area.
Shop now at excelhw.com.sg, a Singapore brand.